My name is Sigalit Landau. I'm an artist. I'm a sculptress and make video and initially installations. I weld and paint and I'm all over the place, but there's one place which I'm all over it and it's all over me, and this is the Dead Sea. When I was a child, the sea was 40 meters higher, so we're losing it by more than a meter a year. We're catching and we're fossilizing a lake which is in disappearing. This studio is where everything happens and everything is prepared, and there's a lot of preparation, actually, more than you might imagine. The exhibition is called Between Two Worlds, so a mosaic of works, projects, which are salt sculptures, video installation, made in the past 15 years in the Dead Sea. As a child, I remember the elderly ladies in my family making tapestries of European landscapes. When the pandemic hit and everybody was in lockdown, I wanted to collaborate, and I asked elderly ladies to volunteer to make tapestries of such sceneries. I then took the tapestries, framed them, and down with me to the water into the abyss, where something else took place. The scenes of European winter met the hot Israeli summer and were crystallized and connected. The dress is a small replica of the wedding gown worn by Hannah Robina in the Dibuk. Salt is a sediment, so salt really is a good also metaphor and also a real concrete example of time. It can erase, it can emphasize form, the weight of the pieces, the tens and hundreds of kilograms that we have elevated with cranes. This is time in motion, kind of even turning time into mass. Political, ecological, history, the myths. There's a bit of everything in the exhibition, and I think it'll tell the story. I'm looking forward to seeing this mosaic come together.